Apply for a job, tell them you have no experience, and they slap you around. In the real world, with no experience or training, you're going to get slapped around a lot. MTA can help you put an end to that. MTA will teach you how to handle the big rigs, and you'll learn on the road in modern equipment. There's financial aid available and a lifetime job search assistance program. When you've completed your classes, you'll have the training you need to compete in the world. So stop getting slapped around. Call MTA today.